Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a no heat call, and it's a furnace, and what's going on is the burners kick on, it ignites, but then about a few seconds afterward it shuts off. So it doesn't really allow the burners to continue to run, but hopefully it'll do it right now. See if you can see that. So anytime you have combustion, that means you have gas, you have air, and you have some form of spark, whether it's a igniter or if it's the type that just glows red like this one does. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. It's about to start. There you go. So this is a York. Typically furnaces have about 3 to 4 tries before they lock out and throw a fault code, but for some reason this furnace, I've seen it turn on and off about 10 times and it's not throwing a fault code. So that is also a little bit of a red flag, more so on the board side, because it's receiving signal. It should be recognized the fact that it's tried 4 times and it's not throwing a fault code or locking out the furnace. But the first thing we're going to address is, why does it shut off immediately? So if you know the cycle of the furnace, you know that once you have ignition, immediately the flame sensor senses the flame and sends a signal to the furnace to continue on to the next step. So it's obviously not doing that, because it does not go to the next step, which is to turn on the blower. Okay, so we're going to start with that. We're going to start by replacing the flame sensor, which is right there. And we will, hope that does it. If it does not do it, then we are going to have to replace the board. But 9.9%, or sorry, 9 out of 10 times, it's just the flame sensor. I would say even more so than that. Probably 45 out of 50 times, it's just the flame sensor. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I'll show a follow-up video if I'm the one that comes out to do this repair, but that's pretty much how you diagnose that. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.